Golden Nugget Online Casino is legit. Is GNOG finally making a recovery from that brutal beatdown it's gotten after the merger? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some articles that were released from Market Realist and Seeking Alpha about Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing. This is for entertainment purposes only. So I'm going to just read a couple of paragraphs from each of the articles, and then we'll break down the charts like we always do and let you hopefully make a more educated decision on if it's a good time to buy this particular play. So it says there's a great deal of doubt regarding online casinos and gaming companies, mainly due to the perpetual fakes and frauds. However, as far as Golden Nugget Online Casino is concerned, it's 100% legitimate for bettors who are above 21 years of age and who are physically located in the states of New Jersey and Michigan. In fact, according to the Vegas Insider's review, with a sizable deposit bonus, a good rewards program, and more gains than almost any other app, Golden Nugget Online Casino is among the best casinos we've reviewed in some time. That's a very, very great statement in regards to Golden Nugget. Article goes on to talk about how Golden Nugget makes money. It says one way is through the house edge. This is a carefully designed algorithm through which casinos earn more than players over the long term. Another way they earn money are through commissions. A lot of casinos make money this way at the start of each round. And then it goes on to say another way online casinos, including GNOG, make money is through massive winnings that they announce for players. It's kind of funny, but it says it seems ironic how they make money offering big winnings. As the amount of the prize goes up, so does the temptation for the players to buy tickets. As a result, the ticket amount collects usually far exceeds the actual prize money. The operator can keep the rest of the money for itself. And then we'll talk about GNOG stock forecast. So according to MarketBeat, only one analyst covers GNOG. The analyst has a buy rating for the stock. The analyst has a price target of $27. This was released on January the 13th when they initiated that buy rating, and says that this stock has a ton of potential, which is something we already knew, but it's great to be reminded that they do have a price target of almost $30. And I think once earnings comes out, that we'll start seeing it move closer to that level. And also when the warrants expire next week on the 8th, I think that we should start seeing some more aggressive moves to the upside I'm hoping for. Let's look at Seeking Alpha and see what they have to say, then we'll break the charts down. All right, guys, we're just going to go over the investment thesis from Seeking Alpha. It says GNOG is an early entrant in the U.S. online gaming industry, where the company has operated iCasino in New Jersey since 2013. After the Professional and Amateur Sports Protection Act was repealed in 2018, deregulation for online gaming and sports betting was accelerated. Today, 15 states currently offer some sort of online wagering, including Washington, D.C., and at least one more state will roll out iGaming in 2021. We believe online betting offers a 20 to 25 billion market opportunity in the US by 2025. GNOG maintains an 8% market share in New Jersey's iGaming industry, which is the most mature market in the United States. The company also launched iGaming in Michigan, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia this year. GNOG also has market access rights in Illinois, Louisiana, Nevada, and Mississippi, and plans to launch in additional states as markets deregulate. GNOG has an opportunity to grow its user base with lower acquisition costs by leveraging its access to a database of 2.5 million land-based casino members and 2.5 million members across Landry's restaurant loyalty base. We forecast revenue growth at 28% from 2021 to 2025 after 64% revenue growth in 2020. Our 12-month price target of $24. So they have a price target of 24 and someone else has a price target of 27. So, that's a huge upside from where it's at now, right? So if you get in now, it would be a good opportunity. Just keep in mind it may take some time. Some risks to keep in mind on this particular play, guys. They have a lot of competition, and there's a lot of companies that are in the online gaming sector, including some big names, and also the amount of time of states, allowing online betting and casinos and stuff like that. So it's not going to happen overnight. So if you're in this play and thinking it's going to go to $30 tomorrow, probably not the play for you. This is a longer term investment, and you may have to just wait. But as more states roll out and offer online gaming and casino, uh, when Golden Nuggets able to offer that in their state, then that's just going to mean more revenue growth and more money for this company, which is going to be a lot more attractive to investors. So just be patient with this one, guys, and just know that it's going to take some time for it to move back closer to that $30 mark. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts and see what they're telling us. All right, guys, I'm here on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about as far as anything on here on the charts, just to remind you, if you go to my channel, I have a playlist that breaks down all of the key indicators that I use to trade and read the charts and read the key supports, resistance levels, and all that stuff. It's about 7 to 8 videos. Make sure you check that out at some point. Okay, they're not very long videos. They're anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. So it's you can watch one a day and become more competent on reading the indicators and things like that. So you can see here, ever since we hit a high of 28.10, it's been a downward move ever since. When we did cross below the SMA line, obviously that signaled a downtrend, and we've been in a downtrend ever since. We did find support at the low of about 1350, 1357. Good news is we bounced off of that, and we bounced off of it fairly hard. Okay, and this could be the start of an uptrend, hopefully. So what we have to keep in mind is we've had a pretty solid run from that point. So I think we are going to see a slight pullback, either whether it be today or tomorrow. We're going to lose some steam off of this run. And whenever that happens, we could dip down. I'm thinking maybe around the $15 level before making the decision to bounce back up and retest that resistance. As you see, we got rejected at that resistance. We hit a high of 1684 and we fell back down into the lower 16. So in order for us to continue to move forward, we are going to have to bust through 1668, and we're going to have to stay above that. That's going to have to eventually, once we bust through that resistance, it's going to have to act as support from that point. Okay. Then once we get past that section, our next resistance would be 1866. Really anything above 1855. If we can hold through there, that'll mean that we bust through the SMA line, and now we're on top of the SMA line. And if we can hold above it, that signals that we are about to continue and change pattern. So instead of a downtrend, we're going back to an uptrend. Okay. But I'm just going to tell you now, if you haven't gotten into this stock, or if you're looking to average down, this area here is a buy zone, guys, right here. Okay. And even if you get in here at 16 and it falls below on the pullback, you're still getting it at a good buy. But if it were me and I'm wanting to get into the stock, or I'm wanting to average down, I would wait and I would try to get it in the 15s, either high 15s, or I'm sorry, low 15s, or maybe even the high 14s. It may fall that low. So just keep an eye on it. But I think that we are going to see a pullback to there tomorrow before we continue move to the upside. And I do think that we are going to see some moves to the upside. I don't think we're going to continue just to, shoot down or anything. So all I got for you today, guys. I want to thank you for watching. If you found value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button, share with a friend. And also, guys, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel. I'm checking out my analytics, and of all the viewers that we have, only about 15, almost 16% of you are subscribed. So, if you do like our content, if you do watch the videos, make sure that you click the subscribe button. It's very, very easy. There's a button right here in the bottom right corner. You just got to click it. It takes about 1 second, okay? And hit the notification bell. That way, every time we release new videos, YouTube will let you know whenever we have something to share. So, other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Appreciate you.